This is a special edition of Late Night Health. I'm Mark Alyn. This is the second of a three-part series about Nutriventia by Inventia. Our guest is Dr. Shefali Thanawala. We appreciate your being with us, Dr. Shefali.
Hey, thank you so much, Mark. It's
I'm
nice talking to you.
nice talking to you as well. You have a great smile. I just want everybody to know that. And
Hey, thank
if you have questions about products, you can ask her. I know she'll answer those. You have a new product. It's called TurmXTRA, and it's a curcumin product. What makes this different than other products, curcumin ingredients that are available on the market?
Well, right from onset, our goal was to design a differentiated product. And while designing Term Extra, we have taken care of the issues which we see that the current curcuminoid market is plagued with. So let's take few examples. So if you take example of water dispersibility, if you look at the current existing products in the market which have curcuminoids in it, the quantity of active curcuminoids is generally very less, and it ranges from 6 to 20%. So there is more space which is occupied with the excipients or the inactives. So as against that, in Term Extra, we have packed it with 60% of active curcuminoids. Then second example I would like to give is that most of the ingredient manufacturers use excipients which are synthetic and often harsh. So as compared to that, in Term Extra, we have used only diet sourced excipients which are definitely safer. The third issue which I would like to highlight is that in the manufacturing process, most of the companies use organic solvents, whereas Term Extra is manufactured with a totally solvent-free process. But Mark, let me tell you, apart from all these points which I highlighted, the most important aspect of Term Extra is that we have provided, designed the product in such a way that only 250 milligram of a small daily dose is required to get all the health benefits of turmeric. And I think that's the key differentiator of Term Extra as compared to all other curcuminoid products.
Can you tell us briefly some of the health benefits of turmeric?
Well, turmeric has multiple health benefits right from the times of Ayurveda, like centuries back. So India has been using turmeric left, right, center. It is a part of our daily cuisine, as you know. Uh, this kind of daily use of turmeric is probably because the ancients knew about its health benefits in the area of inflammation, in the area of skin health, joint health, even gut health, and brain health. So turmeric is a very versatile ingredient. And to talk in a little medical language, it is a pleiotropic molecule which has multiple genetic targets. So that's how it exerts its effect.
And turmeric is also popular in cooking. Uh, I would never make it for you, but I make for my wife. I make chicken tikka marsala, and the prime seasoning is turmeric.
Well, it's really very interesting to hear chicken tikka masala from you. And yes, you cannot make that without adding turmeric to it, but just a pinch of it.
Yes, exactly, exactly. Have you conducted studies on turmeric?
Yes, we have designed and developed an entire clinical package for Term Extra, which included preclinical studies, that is like animal studies, and then we conducted two human pharmacokinetic studies. Also, a clinical efficacy endpoint study is ongoing, and the results of that will be available by end of this year. Further studies of for Term Extra are also planned, which we will initiate in year 2021. So basically, our clinical program is designed in such a way that we provide a constant support for our customers' claims through robust and ongoing science and research.
And you plan more studies coming up, don't you?
Yes, yes, definitely. So we will initiate that in 2021, and the process of the clinical program will go on.
Got it. And what have been the results, the positive results from these studies that have shown so far?
Well, the results have been very positive. So basically, we had hypothesized on the low dose curcuminoid product. And that hypothesis was strengthened strongly with the results of our preclinical studies. And taking the process of translational research into consideration, we extrapolated and applied those results, and we designed human pharmacokinetic studies. So we conducted two pharmacokinetic studies, and we established that just a small 250 milligram of TurmXTRA has shown plasma equivalence to the standard dose, which is clinically validated, of the standard turmeric extract. So the dose of standard turmeric extract is 3 capsules a day, versus TurmXTRA is just 1 capsule a day. And still they have shown equivalent results in blood work.
And so it actually, you use less and you get more is what uh,
Yes, that's the punchline.
that's
Yes.
the bottom line for everybody. What formats work best for TurmXTRA?
Well, TurmXTRA is quite versatile ingredient because of its free-flowing nature and its high water dispersibility. It's a perfect fit for a variety of formats, like let it be capsules or tablets, stick packs, powders, or even gummies and chewies. Also, TurmXTRA includes uh, diet source excipients, and that is why it's a perfect fit for food applications like functional beverages, breakfast cereals, or protein bars.
So it's wide open. It can be used
Absolutely,
in
absolutely.
supplements, food, beverages, and
Yes,
right,
yes.
and provide those benefits that everybody knows turmeric or curcumin has been known for thousands of years to provide.
Yes.
There are a lot of turmeric products out there. Do you think that the consumer is ready for yet another uh, turmeric or curcumin ingredient?
Well, because the extensive health benefits of curcumin are always getting highlighted. So there has been an increasing consumer awareness, and which has led to an increasing demand. But if you look at the market and the available products today, most of the products are merely replicas of each other. So I would like to highlight that turmeric is certainly not just yet another curcumin ingredient, but we do come in with a great difference, and we provide all the health benefits in a small single daily dose. So when consumers get a small single daily dose and the same health benefits, and if they don't have to pop up, capsules 3 or 4 times a day, then well, that is where we outshine, and that is where we make a difference. And I think the consumers are going to be happier with our product.
And we've already discussed this, but it seems that TurmXTRA is perfect for food formulations. I kind of jumped the gun on you a little bit ago, but it can be used not only in supplement form, but for foods as well.
Yeah, sure. Because TurmXTRA has received self-affirmed GRAS from a scientific expert panel. So we can definitely use it very safely in the food applications as well. Also, TurmXTRA has halal and kosher certifications.
Uh, what is the impressiveness factor of TurmXTRA?
Well, we have packed TurmXTRA with a mighty punch in a small dose of 250 milligram, and that is the wow factor for TurmXTRA.
And as we wrap up here, the best way for prospective customers to get more information about TurmXTRA and how they can incorporate it into their product line and formulations, what is the best way for them to do that?
Well, for any queries, the customers can just hit the button on our website, nutriventia.com. We have created a customer care center there, and all the information will be available over that area. And also, they can directly reach us at info@nutriventia.com. Or, of course, don't forget to follow us on our LinkedIn page, where we will be sharing our latest and the greatest.
And if they have questions about the formulations, I suppose you and other staff members are available to help them incorporate the product into their formulations.
Oh, absolutely. We have a very strong R&D team. So we are always at the service of our customers for any of their queries or problems.
Doctor, I thank you very much for joining us today on Late Night Health. We've been spending some time with Dr. Shefali Thanawala, and she's an Ayurvedic physician. And how long have you been practicing, if I may ask?
It's more than 30 years now.
Dr. Shefali, thank you very much for joining us here on Late Night Health.
Thank you so much, Mark. It has been nice speaking to you.
Nice
Thank you.
you as well. Thank you. I'm Mark Alyn. This is Late Night Health. We'll be back with more very soon.